Hello everyone, Tom Ass from Michigan. Set my camping Blackstone up in the garage. It's Christmas Eve. It's a little chilly, but kind of spring-like Michigan. I got this 22-inch Blackstone I bought mainly for camping. And so I got the 36-inch on top of the deck, which is uncovered, and I like using it so much. I got to thinking that maybe I just set it up in the this was in my camping rig. I thought I'll set that up in here. Just cook on it in the garage. I don't know if you can see. I ain't got a whole lot of room in here. There's my dog Jesse. I got it setting up on the deck of my Gravely walk behind mower. I haven't cooked as much on this one. It's gonna do good to use it this winter, I think. Keep it seasoned up. Get it. The more you cook on them, the better they get. And we're out in the garage. See a lot of good cooks coming out of people's garages. So I got the stuff, I might as well. This griddle's bound to warming up out here. It don't take long to get some bacon done on this setup. Get that lid down, get them hash browns thawed out. And like I said, I'm not really set up for here yet. Got a little SPG we'll season them up with. I'll crank that up a little bit maybe. Add a little of this bacon grease goodness. Why wouldn't you? Broke one of my egg yolks, bums me out. A little SPG on here. And there it is. All American breakfast on the Blackstone. Nice flip of the eggs. Well, our first Christmas Eve garage breakfast on the Blackstone was a hit. I'm gonna get my griddle cleaned up, get it ready for the next winter cook. Thanks for watching. And boom, just like that, the Blackstone's ready for another cook.